and welcome to A Little Crazy. Thanks for joining me. Still raining outside, so what we'll try and do today is get on with a few of the little jobs that we've got outstanding. So a little bit of vinyl work, and if we've got time, see if I can get some electrics done as well. Let's see how we get on anyway. I've seen all this time and time again.
With you? I've not seen any of your videos with this. I perhaps fast forwarded.
Go fast forwarded anyway.
I perhaps fast forward. I indeed watch, and then I do a little like and a little share. It looks like that Christmas snow.
Yeah. I'm doing the toilet ceiling at the moment. This is with a different colour material. This is iceberg, still hitch, but it's iceberg from Spradlin. Probably the easiest bit of material I'm going to put on. It's nice and square. This iceberg material I'll be using right throughout the ceilings of the boat. Right, just going to give that a spray and put them together. Okay, that's that done. Hole in the centre is for the leads to go through for the lights as it's up. There's just a metal protection strip to put on down there now, and the floor can go back. A piece of aluminium there. When you're picking the floor up and down, stops it catching the cloth. Also stops the cloth just suddenly peeling up with the movement of the floor when you're lifting it up and down. So it's a protection there, keeps it taut. Around this side, shouldn't need it, but I might put a couple of staples in. See, all that's going to be behind the boarding anyway. And then down this edge I've got a piece of wood which I might put in very shortly, to be honest with you. Just give that time to really go hard with the adhesive under there. This vent, originally I had a brown one to match the door, but because the rest of it was going greys and blacks, I thought, okay, I'll get a black one. So this was a black one according to the inventory. It might look a little dark on your screen. It's actually grey, which, you know, it goes well with the rest of the grey fitting, so yeah, quite happy with that. It's where a wrong item becomes a good one. Looks a bit pissed because obviously that side goes up there, but it's straight with that side there. Okay, that's that bit done. The last thing to do on these walls, as you can see, I've got the framing up there now on the other side. So this material now is pinned all the way round. And the only place that it isn't is this wall. So I've got this quadrant here which have stained up the same colour, and that will go down there like that, because that's the weakest part of the material. Over time it might come up, and we don't want that to happen, so this is going to trap it in. So all I'll do with this is just put it in with a bit of glue, and that should be sufficient. Get it on the right side. Hopefully this is not going to be too messy. It's only a very small piece of quadrant, so it won't be a lot. But you can pin it with panel pins, but I have an idea that if anything, is going to split the wood. So we'll do it this way first. See how it turns out. As I say, hopefully it's not going to be too messy. And if he's not going to hold it very well, but we shall try. Twisted round already. Bugger. might just have to stand here for a couple of hours holding it. Doesn't need a lot of pressure on it, as you probably realise. It only needs a little bit just to keep it in place. Easier said than done. I might be getting the panel pins out. The trouble is, it was wanting to twist round when you put the clamps on it. Apart from this side, of course, it's squirting out. Right, panel pins it is then. Let's hope these go on all okay. Without destroying the material. It'll look better once the dryness of the glue goes dark. Either that or run a bit of stain down it. Alright, let's do the other side. Smaller one, this one. So it only goes up to the gauges, the depth and the speed. That should hold it. So as I say, those two walls are really finished, unless I decide to pop another switch in there. But at the moment, that'll be it. Right, on to the next bit. While I was doing the outside wall and the helm, to finish that off, I thought I might as well do this wall as well, because this is the only wall left now that hasn't got removable panels like the rest of it up here. Everything else is removable panels. That's a solid wall, and so is the other side of the toilet outside, and obviously so was the back of the helm. Well, that's a couple of little jobs out of the way. Hopefully we can get on with the old painting of the top side soon, because that's a job in waiting that needs to be done. But thanks for looking in. If you can, like and subscribe, because it does help us out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.